Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsha Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor from Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. In previous video, we have discussed what are the rights of copyright owner in case of literary work, dramatic work, musical work. In this video, we will discuss rights of copyright owner especially in computer programs. As we know that computer programs are also protected by copyright law. The owner of copyright programs can also enjoy economic rights with respect to the computer programs he has created. The first right with respect to computer programs, that means the economic right, is to reproduce the work in any material form. Similarly, the owner of computer programs can also have right to issue copies of computer program to the public. Computer program includes various softwares and like other apps on all these things. The copyright owner of computer programs has also the right to perform the computer program in public. He can also communicate his computer programs to the public, and that is his exclusive right. The copyright owner in case of computer programs has right to make any cinematographic film or sound recording with the help of computer programs, and it shall be his exclusive right. Other rights in case of computer programs include right to make translation. Similarly, the owner of copyright in case of computer programs has right to make any adaptation in the computer programs. He also has right to sell or give on commercial rental any copy of computer program. For example, we subscribe to various antivirus that we use in our computers. These are like computer programs, and we are taking it on rent. We are paying, we are subscribing to the service of this computer program. Now let us say what are the rights in case of an artistic work. The ownership in case of artistic work is artist other than photograph. So an artist has right to reproduce the work in any material form. He can reproduce his work. If the work is in three-dimensional form, he can reproduce the work in two-dimensional form, or if the work is in two-dimensional form, he can convert it into a three-dimensional form. For example, if a person has painted a picture, that picture is in two-dimensional form. When he prepares statue of that picture, it becomes or it is in three-dimensional form. So conversion from two-dimensional to three-dimensional or from three-dimensional to two-dimensional is exclusive right of the artist. यानी कि आर्टिस्ट कलाकार जो है अपनी कलाकृति को वो थ्री डायमेंशनल से टू डायमेंशनल या फिर टू डायमेंशनल से थ्री डायमेंशनल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ये कलाकार का अपना अधिकार है कि वो उसे कन्वर्ट करे. सिमिलरली द आर्टिस्ट हैज़ राइट टू कम्युनिकेट द वर्क टू द पब्लिक. हम काफ़ी बार हम देखते हैं जो आर्टिस्ट है, पेंटर्स है, तो वो अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन करते हैं और वो कला कम्युनिकेट करते हैं पब्लिक के साथ में. सिमिलरली द आर्टिस्ट हैज़ राइट to issue copies to the public. Even the artist has right that his work, his artistic work may be included in the cinematographic film with his permission only. Without permission of copyright owner in case of artistic work shall not be published in any cinematographic film. यानी कि अगर किसी आर्टिस्ट की आर्ट, किसी कलाकार की कलाकृति अगर किसी सिनेमा में दिखानी है तो उस आर्टिस्ट की परमिशन, लाइसेंस लेना ज़रूरी है. जब तक उसकी परमिशन नहीं ली जाती है आप उस वर्क को सिनेमा फिल्म में इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते हैं. और ऐसा करने के लिए कलाकार जो है वो रॉयल्टी के तौर पर अपने लिए इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट्स एंजॉय कर सकता है. सिमिलरली द आर्टिस्टिक वर्क also has right to make adaptations in his work. Now let us see what are the rights in case of a cinematographic film. सिनेमा फिल्म जो है उसमें प्रोड्यूसर जो है वो है कॉपीराइट ओनर. सो व्हाट आर द राइट्स ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर देन? द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ अ सिनेमा फिल्म हैज़ राइट टू मेक कॉपीज ऑफ द फिल्म. Similarly, only the producer has right to issue copies to the public. The cinema film producer shall have right to communicate his work to the public. Now let us see what are the rights in case of sound recordings. Again, in case of sound recordings, it is the producer who is owner of sound recordings and he enjoys right to make copies of the sound recordings. Sound recordings की multiple copies करना यह अधिकार sound recording का जो प्रोड्यूसर है उस प्रोड्यूसर के होंगे. Similarly, the owner of sound recording has right to issue copies to the public. He also has the right to communicate the sound recordings to the public. Thank you friends for watching the video. Thank you very much.